What is my problem? My problem is anger. And when I get angry, I disobey Allah, I say things, I hurt people. I need to move away from these things. 4 things less and 1 thing is more. The 4 less, which we absolutely don't do. What do you think? Less talk, less sleep, less food, and less interaction with people. And more? Dhikr. Exactly, mashallah. Remembrance of Allah is the cleaning agent of the heart. Any form of remembering Allah, reading Quran, memorizing, asking Allah for forgiveness, doing morning and evening adhkar, saying subhanallah, reflecting on the nature, and you say, Ya Allah, what beauty is this? Who are you? You know, that's a dhikr. And this process continues. It's not 1 day or 2. And you will